So, calm now, calm down. I'm not gonna bite you, okay? She's running. So, let's leave her. Or should I still try?
Be careful, now especially they go. Moto go jam me. It don't happen, I don't tell her. It don't happen, I don't tell her. Moto don't jam her, I don't tell her.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
So, guys, ASUU announced yesterday that all federal schools should go on strike. 2 weeks strike.
Man, I don't know about you, my brother. I'm freaking excited, guys.
Am I excited? Because I don't know who is watching this. So I don't know. I might not be excited, but I am happy because I'm happy. So basically, we're going to go into the streets of UNN to find out what people actually think about this strike. A lot of people are happy, like me and him. But are you happy about it? Comment below. Let's go into the streets and find out. So, guys, we're in the streets and we're going to be asking people what they think about ASUU strike. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hello, we're off now. Fine, you're off now. Sorry, I hope you don't mind the camera. We're YouTubers and we just want to ask people what they think about ASUU. So what do you think about the strike? Could you tell me?
Is it about the house?
ASUU strike, 2 weeks ASUU strike.
Hey. The ASUU strike that is going on now, I think that it's better they call it off because now it's almost exam time. Maybe after the exam they can continue.
Okay, so you're not happy about it?
No, I'm not happy.
You don't like the 2 weeks?
No, 2 weeks is even small.
It's too small.
Yeah, if they can make it 1 month.
Indefinite. Okay, 1 month.
Yeah.
Sure, guys. Thank you. How about you now?
Well, the strike, yeah. Let's just say I'm kind of happy about it. I have to be honest, because the 2 weeks, the space is well deserved. Like, man, this semester has been really stressful. You get like stress is overwhelming. It's overwhelming, guy. Like the 2 weeks, it's. I just hope. The thing is, let's just not exceed the 2 weeks. You get.
Right.
So let's just use the 2 weeks to like
Okay,
rest,
so
like a mid-term break or mid-semester break.
That's my view, guys.
Like mid-semester break, then after that we can continue.
So you're happy about it now?
I am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay. Hello. What people think about ASUU strike? I want to hear your view on what you think about ASUU strike. Okay, just give me 1 second. I hear me. Come on. I'm listening to you. You're in a haste, no problem. We're all in a haste, okay? Just tell me what you think about ASUU. Are you happy about it or not?
I'm not happy about it. As me being a finalist, I'm a final, and I'm not
What
really
department?
happy. But I'm adult education.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of extending our period of staying here. I'm almost done with my seminar, just to begin my project, and then
Wow.
for sudden this strike came, and my supervisor is not even giving me a listening ear due to he's not being paid, so he's kind of transferring the aggression on us.
Okay.
So we just have to cool down.
Okay, not
for them.
just you, everybody. Okay, general aggression transfer.
To people he supervised, so we are not kind of happy over it.
Well, good luck on your project and congrats, you're done with university, okay? Just calm down, it's gonna end. Thank you so much. Thank you. We won't talk about the ASUU strike. We just want to ask you what you reason about the ASUU strike. How far now, what do you think about this ASUU strike?
I don't know what to say for now, but
Are you happy or are you just chilled about it, or are you angry about the ASUU strike?
I'm angry because I don't know how far it could take.
But they said it's 2 weeks now.
Okay, it's 2 weeks. Okay, we'll be watching out now because you can't say because the government is not consistent in what they're
So
saying.
you're angry with the government, not ASUU?
Also, are trying to correct certain things. That's why they are saying it. So I don't know.
Thank you
I'm
so much.
okay.
How far now? How about you? What do you think about ASUU?
They are doing their best now. That's the best thing they are meant to do. Because I'm rich, I'm broke. My mom too is a government worker. I'm not paid her, so so I'm broke now. So that's why I'm happy. Yes, now. So they have to do something.
Or do you like the fact that it's 2 weeks, or do you want them to extend it as long as possible?
No, I don't want them to extend it too, because I don't like them before, because they are shifting someone's possibility of graduation.
Exactly.
Something like that now. And nobody wants to waste time in school now.
You know, like, Listen now, thanks man, thanks for participating, okay, thanks.
Yeah, I hope you don't mind the camera. We're YouTubers and we just want to ask you,
how you see this ASUU strike and how it affects you. So both of you are fine girls though. You're blushing, it's allowed. So do you like the ASUU strike and
No, I don't. No.
how does it affect you?
Jesus Christ, I just want to graduate.
People like me, I just want to graduate, man. So what about you?
I don't like it though, but I don't know what to say.
My name is Prince here. I own a YouTube channel. Hope you don't mind. The camera is at the back. We just want to ask you guys what you guys think about ASUU strike. Okay, just tell me what you think about ASUU strike. It's that simple. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Denied.
Hello, good evening.
Strike will slow a lot of school activities, because right now the school has a lot of things they need to do.
Okay.
And considering this strike, I don't think it's a good idea for school to be on strike right now.
So you're not happy about the strike?
I'm not happy about the strike, obviously, because I have so many things I need to do, like a lot of schoolwork to catch up with. And once we resume strike, everything will just kickstart, and they will be rushing students.
So like you're trying to tell me that these few weeks that have passed, you're not part of people that have been complaining that there's so much workload.
I'm complaining that there's so much workload, but then I can't negate the fact that it's part of the system, okay? So you can't just relax, take 2 weeks out of your studying time.
Think about ASUU strike, just tell me.
I'm just
So calm down. I'm not gonna bite you, okay? She's running, so let's leave her. Or should I still try? Come on, you could just say something about ASUU strike. Do you like ASUU? Yes or no? Bro, how far now? How far? What's up now? My man. What's up? Fine girls, hello. How you doing? Hope you guys ask you guys what you guys think about the strike, okay? Do you mind telling me what you think about the strike?
I don't know what I think.
Hey, it's something. Not knowing what to think is actually something. So tell me, what do you think? Are you happy or are you sad?
Okay, I'm happy because I'm kind of free now.
Okay.
Like, I have some free time, but then I'm sad because of what comes after the strike.
Okay, G, how far now? What do you think about it?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
They should make it 1 month. Only 1 month. Only 1 month. Then I'll be okay.
1 month?
Yes, just 1 month.
You don't want it to be indefinite?
No, ha.
Okay, you could like graduate now?
Yes, nah. At least just 1 month of fun is not too bad now.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about you? What do you think about it?
Well, me, I'm happy for the moment. I'm enjoying it. But on the other side, I'm sad because I know what comes after the strike will be very bad. It will not be fun then.
Yeah.
Because exam, everything, they will just be rushing us, and then, that's not cool. So I'm sad on the other hand.
G, what do you think about the strike now?
I'm not enjoying it at all.
You're not enjoying it at all?
I'm not enjoying this
Why?
strike. It will say school is on to help us, you rush everything. Any day minus 5 days more, 1 week, 2 weeks, as they have said, minus in a year is something. Time is money.
Exactly.
Time is money.
So you're not just happy about it?
I'm not happy about it, and I pray that God will touch government to do something about it, so that they will continue school.
Amen.
If you look at inside school is scanty, and you see students locomotive from one corner to the other, I'm not happy about it. And I pray that my Jesus will do something about it.
Amen.
Thank you.
Thank you, Father. Pastor, thank you. In Jesus' name we are praying. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That prayer will not work.
You said the prayer will not work.
It will not work.
Why would
It will work, but not like that.
Not like that? Why? Because you're against the prayer.
I'm against it.
You're evangelist.
I'm evangelist Joel to go work.
What's the name of the church?
I'm a member of Numa Domain Ministry.
Bad domain.
I am anointed.
Bad Domain Ministry.
Numa Domain.
Fan church.
Okay, Numa Domain.
Numa Domain.
Okay.
So I said for milk ice cream. In case anywhere you're watching, in case you're hot, you find yourself in a hot weather, come to UNN. I will give you 5 milk ice cream.
So anywhere you are, I normally see you in Engineer Annex. So anywhere you are in UNN, if you see him, evangelist Joel selling ice cream, come and patronize him, okay?
It's good.
Government will do something. And government, you are a picking in God's hand. No evil will hurt you. Very soon there will be a change of government. But what is going to get out of this? That's it.
Amen.
And
Brother,
we'll go.
ice cream.
We're gonna enjoy. You want to take ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, we'll have one of 50, 150, 200. We'll make it small money so that those that doesn't have money will partake on it.
Okay, so if you see him around school,
if you watch me on Facebook or anywhere you see me, I'm anointed and hearing my voice alone. If you have sickness on the inside, you will be healed while we wait for the strike to be called off. God bless you, Jay.
Yay! What's up, my people? These guys are my people. So, you're having a beautiful time. Beautiful time. Can you come closer? Come closer, come closer. This is Moses. I don't know what happened to his hair recently. Yeah, he's a great singer.
Hi, Mills. How you guys doing?
This is NK. Oh my god.
Hello.
Her songs are mad. Alright, so guys, I'm just doing a little video around asking students what they think about the ASUU strike that is going on right now. So what do you think? Okay, I should ask something.
Okay.
Oh, ladies first, okay.
I'm not lying to you guys. I'm actually happy.
She's happy. She's happy, man. So is it a good or bad thing for you?
See, they were going to rush us anyways. Like, do you understand? And I know that they're not going to give us a start break. So I might as well get my break now. Do you grab? So after that 2 weeks, let them just call it off. But for now, guy, I'm
Wisdom, a lot of wisdom in that. Master Moses.
It's mid-term break. So it's mid-term break. They give us. I swear. Please not enjoy the mid-term break. But after 2 weeks, just call it off because I don't want anything like 3 months, 4 months break.
Yeah, we all want to graduate.
Let's just graduate. Forget about this place.
Alright, thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate. I'm really happy I met you guys. At least I met people I know today. So, alright. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Good evening.
Sorry for.
Good evening.
My name is Prince, and his name is Miosu.
Yeah.
So what do you think about ASUU strike? That's also what we want to know.
Okay, about the ASUU strike. For me personally, it's a thing of joy.
Oh my God.
And at the same time, I don't like it as well because it's now prolonging, my stay and even the exam. No, third year.
Okay. You're almost there though.
So, and for the assignments they have been giving us, at least now, to offload all those,
Okay, but so you're happy about it, right?
Yes, but not 100% happy.
Alright, fine girl. Hold up. No, you're too fine not to appear on my channel. Just a simple question, okay? It won't take your time. Please, we've already interviewed your friend. I'm begging you. What do you think about the ASUU strike?
Please.
Just say I'm not happy.
I'm happy. I'm very, very happy.
You're happy?
Yes.
You're happy?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You're fine girl though.
Thank you.
Take care. Rain, go away. Come again another day.
Guy, why are you singing, guy?
I want to play.
So
guys, we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, mommy, it's not me that caused ASUU strike. Oh. They just did it, and if you've seen this video, I love you, okay? And I hate ASUU strike, by the way. So that's just it.
So don't mind my shoes. It was paining me, and I had to remove it. Guy, I love ASUU strike. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Subscribe to Prince Life of the CEO's channel. I'll leave the link in the description.
Subscribe, nigga. Okay, this black boy, subscribe to his channel too. I
give up. Peace. I give up.